Land transportation. The development of land transportation depends upon geographical and economical factors. Some of them are topography, density of population, and industrial regions. Let us understand these factors in detail. Topography. Plains have a larger transportation network because it is easy to lay out railway tracks and to construct roads in flat areas, whereas it is difficult in hilly areas. For example, Konkan region is connected to the plateau region only through few ghats. Thal Ghat, Bhor Ghat, Phonda Ghat, Amba Ghat and Amboli Ghat etc. are some of the important ones. Density of population. Overcrowded areas need well-developed transportation like Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, etc. Industrial region. Industrial areas like Aurangabad, Jalna, etc. need good transportation connectivity for movement of raw material and goods. Land transportation. Types. Land transportation is basically of two types, roads and railways. Let us take up roads first. Roads are one of the oldest methods of transportation. They are ideal for short distances. They are used by cars, two-wheelers, trucks and tankers for short as well as long distances. In rural areas, kacha roads etc. used by bullock carts, bicycles, etc. Advantages of roads. Roads are flexible. They provide door-to-door service. Goods can be transported from one place of production to the market. Thus, roads help in the development of agriculture, mining and industries. Connecting rural areas to the cities can help in the development of these areas. A good transportation network also helps in development of tourism. During natural calamities, roads are useful to reach places to provide help. Now, let us see the disadvantages of roads. Disadvantages of roads. They are more expensive than railways for long distances. The transportation of heavy and bulky products by roads is difficult. Some areas have very poor connectivity, like the Western Ghats. These roads need a lot of maintenance from time to time, especially during and after the monsoons. Roads in Maharashtra mostly follow river valleys like Tapi, Bhima, Krishna and Godavari. Along the Konkan coastal area, Mumbai-Goa highway is very useful for the development of Konkan region. Major cities like Pune, Ahmednagar, Aurangabad, Solapur, Dhule and Nagpur are the centers where most of the roads converge. This can be seen very clearly on the maps. Due to hilly terrain, roads are less developed in the Sahyadris, Mahadev Hills, Harishchandra and Balaghat ranges. In Gadchiroli also, road network is limited due to dense forest. Now that we have seen the advantages and disadvantages of roads, let us see the different types of roads. Types of roads. Maharashtra has the following types of roads: national highways, state highways, district roads, and village roads. Let us learn about these roads in detail. National highways. They connect important cities of the country. National highways are built and maintained by the central government. Many national highways pass through Maharashtra. These national highways are identified by numbers. For example, NH3 runs between Mumbai-Nasik-Agra and NH17 connects Panvel, Goa, Maharashtra. State highways. State highways connect major towns of the state. They are also connected to national highways and other important roads. They are built and maintained by the state government. District roads. District roads connect different talukas and they link national and state highways to increase the connectivity. They are maintained by Zilla Parishad. Village roads. Village roads are maintained by Gram Panchayats. Generally, they are narrow roads, but they are very important for the villages for accessibility and for the development of agriculture in rural areas. Express highways. Besides regular roads, there are two express highways in Mumbai. First is the Western Express Highway that starts from Mahim and runs parallel to Western Railway up to Dahisar, and then it joins National Highway number 14. The second express highway is the Eastern Express Highway that starts from Sion and goes to Thane. The Mumbai-Pune Super Expressway. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway is the only super expressway in Maharashtra. The highway has reduced the travel time between Mumbai and Pune as well as traffic congestion. Road network in Maharashtra is very well developed and all roads are interconnected. Maharashtra State Road Transportation Corporation or MSRTC runs buses popularly known as ST buses that link most of the towns and villages in the state. MSRTC operates Volvo bus service under the brand name Shivneri between Mumbai and Pune and other major cities.